which was spoken all over the world, and almost every country in the world accepted English as his second official language, and also India accepted English as his second official language. And in India there are many languages spoken. So if we need to go anywhere where Hindi is not spoken, we need to do communicate with people in English. And in India, many students read in government schools, and the medium of teaching in government school are Hindi. And the government do not focus on teaching English to the student who learn in government school, and also the teachers do not say students to focus on English language. And the students who are learning in government school and want to achieve their goal in any private sector or go to foreign to take their job do not learn English, and they find it difficult to achieve their goal. So if any student who are learning in government school and want to go to foreign to learn something extra, need to spend some extra time to learn English. And if government made English compulsory in government schools, every student learn English from his childhood. And if every student learn English from his childhood, he do not find any difficulty after matriculation or intermediate to do any sort of courses or go anywhere foreign to learn. So in my opinion, I want to say that government should make English compulsory in government school. That's all. Thank you.